One feature within our applicant tracking system that's been a crowd favorite has to be the Sites tab. So you now have the ability to start creating sales funnels, video sales letters, nurture campaigns, and even create your own website and landing pages within our applicant tracking system. And it's easy to do. So for those of you that are starting out fresh with your new recruiting business and you're stressed out about not having a storefront, a website, you can now do that within our applicant tracking system. And it's easy, drag and drop, plug and play. So let me give you a preview of the capabilities of the Sites feature within our applicant tracking system. So all you do is go back into the Sites tab and you have all these different funnels that you can copy. So I have the ability as the agency owner here to give you access to any one of these funnels that we've already created that are going to be relevant for any recruiting business. I can literally clone these and drop them into your applicant tracking system. And then you can replace it with any word tracks that are specific to your recruiting niche, your logo, your color scheme, your company name, etc. All that can be done within seconds. So I'll kind of walk through some of the funnels that we've created. Here's a video interview funnel. So what's cool about this is anytime you have a new candidate or applicant that applies for a job, you can send them a link here that is going to bring them into an area where they're going to have to go ahead and start this. Their camera will come on and they actually do a 1 or 2 minute interview of themselves and can submit it. And you can get a feel for how they present themselves and if they're a good fit for the job. So this walks you through all the different steps and this up until a video thank you page that would look like this. So all done, good to go. And again, you can change your pictures around and everything else, but at least you have the templates and the shells to get moving on this. Moving right along, let me go back to some other funnels that I love that you can literally copy and plug and play as soon as today. Our hiring funnel, a careers page. So if you want to advertise any jobs on your website or any job boards, you can do that with this funnel right here. Let me give you a preview of this. So we are hiring, and then you can put, what your values are for your company, what you offer, etc. And you just go down here, and if any of this stuff could make sense for your company, keep it in there. If not, just go ahead and easily replace it. And then we have the open positions here. Let me give you a preview of this. So all of your open positions can be listed right here with some case studies, job descriptions, they can apply right here on this page. So very useful funnel that really any recruiting agency owner will need. One of the funnels I love is the job offers form. So once you get acceptance from your hiring manager that they want to hire your candidate, you can go in here and send any one of your recruiters internally this link. They can fill it out with the details of the job offer, send the offer letter, and it literally turns it into a Word document that looks just like this, plugs in all of the blank spots here with the details that you put in the prior page, and it formalizes an offer letter out to your candidate. And then your candidate can digitally sign, which I'll give you a preview of that, through this funnel. So they can make it official, sign off on it, and even your hiring manager can get a copy of this letter right here. All right. And they hit submit and it's timestamped and it's official and they've signed off on their offer letter. So that's been a real popular funnel to use once you have a candidate acceptance, is the job offer funnel. And there's the final page here of congratulating your candidate on the new job that they're going to be embarking on. And then the last landing page or funnel that we created, which you can clone, you can replicate it, I can drop it right into your applicant tracking system, is this nurture campaign that I've run with this very high converting page. So I send this out to a targeted list of hiring managers who maybe converse with me on LinkedIn or Facebook or other digital platforms. And then I send this page out to them talking basically about how when they hire a free recruiter, they think they're getting a great deal. But unfortunately, a lot of times recruiters who work for free or on contingency don't make you a priority. But when you pay your recruiter upfront an engage fee or a retainer, then you are their number one priority. And that's what this page speaks to. That's a psychology behind it. And then I put some case studies down here of successful stories of people who have paid me up front. And then I tell the hiring manager they can go ahead and book a call with me on my calendar, and I get bookings here. So this goes out. I can schedule this page to go out on certain days during the week, certain times. And it's been a really high converting nurture a sales page for me that you can replicate and plug and play. Hope this helps, guys.